Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the Tech Travel Geeks unboxing and first impressions of the Bomaker wireless earbuds. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Right then, so we got some Bomaker wireless earbuds from Amazon, and they seem to be ticking all the boxes in terms of specifications and the capabilities of Bluetooth headbuds. So they seem to be a set of Bluetooth 5 earbuds from Bomaker, and we're going to have a look at how they perform. I'm going to be synchronizing these with the Huawei P40 and an iPhone 11 to assess what the sound quality is like, what the connectivity is like, and so forth. But let's start by looking at the packaging, which is a simple cardboard box, which we've taken the cellophane off of, and inside we see a little plastic bag with a user manual, which might stay sealed, a little leaflet informing us about Amazon gift cards and giveaways from Bomaker, which is interesting, and the fact that you can register your product for 3-year extended warranty. So this is quite interesting. This is definitely a selling point for the Bomaker wireless earbuds. So let's start off with the rest of the contents of the case. I've taken the sponge bit out, and there's a separate little cardboard box within the cardboard box, which has what we're expecting, the usual replacement earbuds. Quite handy if you have ears that aren't exactly a certain size, and a USB-A to USB Type-C cable. So that's obviously an indicator of the fact that the Bomaker wireless earbuds that we have here take USB Type-C for charging. That's a really good sign, because if you have a newer Android phone, it uses USB Type-C. Even if you have a newer iPad or laptop, whether that's a PC or a Mac, you will most likely have USB Type-C, so you don't have to carry multiple chargers when traveling. Type-C for charging these wireless earbuds. So that's the Bomaker logo on the lid. There's a nice little bit to pull out the earbuds. There's right and left, clearly defined here, and right and left come out of the box and are already with a set of medium earbuds there. You can see the pogo pins for charging and the case charging pins in here. So what I'm going to do is, as I said, synchronize the Bomaker earbuds with the Huawei P40 and with the iPhone 11, and give you some first impressions of what the sound is like. So bear with me, I'll be back in a moment. Okay then, so I've been testing these Bomaker wireless earbuds for quite a while now. Made a quick FaceTime call on an iPhone, listened to some music on the Huawei P40 using Amazon Music, as well as watching a half as interesting video about the man who space traveled 0.2 seconds into the future on the iPhone 11 on the YouTube app. And I have to say, overall, great sound quality. They're pretty tight. I had to play around a bit with the earbuds, but they're now much better in my ear, so there's a bit of adjustment needed there. It's good that they include the replacement buds in the case, and overall the sound quality is good. It's pretty middling. It's not as good as the sound in the Feel T1X earbuds that we unboxed and provided some first impressions of earlier this week. But I would say that overall value for money for the price that they are in the UK at the moment, around about £40 sterling, you're getting a very good set of earbuds. I would say these are on par with the Soundpeats True Free Plus that we unboxed and provided first impressions of quite a while ago now on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. So overall, good earbuds, good value for money, Great feature of having USB Type-C for charging. I think these are good value, so you'd be making a good choice if you chose to buy these. And most importantly, very compact case, fits nicely in a pair of jeans pockets. I wasn't wearing skinny jeans, but in my jean pockets they fit quite comfortably. So that's the unboxing and first impressions of the Bomaker wireless earbuds. We'll put the link to where to purchase these in the description under the video. And if you haven't, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. And if you have any questions or you would like to know anything more about this product, just drop us a comment in the section below this video. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye.